Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning automatic app and game updates on or off on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down to and open iTunes and App Store. Under the Automatic Downloads section here, you can enable or disable automatic updates. If you have disabled automatic updates, you can still update your apps manually when you choose. To do that, open up the App Store. In the App Store, tap on your profile from the top right of the screen. On your account page here, scroll down to see the list of apps that need updating. You can either update them all with one click or manually choose the apps you want updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.